Hi, welcome. My name is Palami and thank you so much for watching this video. I am going to be cooking a bunch of dishes today to bring it to a friend's home and I thought why not while I'm cooking them just show the recipes to you all. They're pretty simple. They are home style everyday food that any Indian would be eating at home. So I will take you along with all those recipes one by one, not in the same video, but one video after the other. This video is about dal palak or lentils with spinach. And if you have seen my video on all the different types of lentils that we use in the Indian kitchen, you would know this lentil by now. This is split moong dal, or moong dal is what we call it. So let's first wash this and let this boil while we prep for the other ingredients. So here I have 150 grams of lentils or moong dal. If you don't have moong dal, you can always use red lentils or rodelinsa for this recipe. Let this boil and cook for the next 30-35 minutes till it's super soft. So while the lentils are getting cooked, let's start making the other part of the dish. I've taken a pan and I'm adding around 3 tablespoons of oil, and we would be adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds to this oil, and let the cumin seeds splutter. So what we do now is we add the onion. This is one small to medium sized onion that has been finely chopped, and 1 to 2 green chili that's again finely chopped, and I will be grating some of this ginger in it. So go ahead and add the onion and the chili. So while the onion and ginger and garlic fries, it should take us around 5 minutes, and then we add the chopped tomato. And I have also chopped up the spinach leaves. I'm using wilde spinazie or wild spinach, which is something that I can find at the Turkish stores. But if you find baby spinach or the spinazie bladeren that you find in the supermarket, regular supermarket, you can also use that. So this is again 1 chopped tomato. To this we add now 1 teaspoon of salt. We had already added 1 teaspoon to the lentils with dal. So I will now go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of the red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. So there you go. We add our spinach leaves. I am using around 100 to 150 grams of spinach. And you see the spinach will wilt away in no time. I would hate to waste all that water that's there with the spinach, with the dal, because that's a lot of good protein. So I am adding the whole thing in. Definitely lower the heat because the dal was boiling, the pan is hot. It's all going to be a super mess in your kitchen if you don't lower it. So we will cover this and let this cook for on a low heat for the next 5 minutes. So in another small pan, now this is my special tadka pan that I have at home, and you can use any pan of your choice. You don't have to have a pan like this specifically. So in this you can add 2 tablespoons of ghee or 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. And what we do is, as soon as it's hot, we add another half teaspoon of cumin seeds. And then to this oil we add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, and we go ahead and add our garlic. We also have to add some dried red chili. Now this is optional. If you want, you can always omit the dried red chili. I'm adding 1, but you can also add 2. Be very careful. What we now do is add a teaspoon of sugar, and then we check the amount of salt, and that's it. Dal is ready. So there you go. This is super steaming hot dal palak, which is absolutely gorgeous looking and is again very easy. I hope you give this recipe a try, because I think it's absolutely easy and can be made on a weeknight as dinner, or meal prepped as well in advance. So if you give this recipe a try, don't forget to let me know. Tag me in your stories on Instagram or Facebook on this ID, and don't leave this video without giving me a like. Subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below if you like this video, and I will see you all very soon with another video.